Recently, Antigravity 2.0 has been released, and actually, you can't use the old ID system like before. So, I'm going to show you how to use it now. I'm making this tutorial for those who are upgrading to 2.0 from the previous version using ID Graph, so that everyone can use it. So, firstly, when we open Antigravity, we can see our previous projects here, but there's just a chat option. There's no ID or anywhere to write code or anything like that. So, what's happened is this. The team really wants their work to be done as smoothly and efficiently as possible. So, they've developed this specific solution to make sure everything runs perfectly. And that is exactly how it works. To use this, we have to use any exact code editor, like the most popular ones. Let's try to do this. Um, right, now, okay, let's create a project here. Open folder. Okay, and desktop, and select this project. Like it would be. From here. Just like that. So, let's open it. So, yes, we are opening the project here at 1 o'clock. Now, if we go to anti-gravity, there is a 1 o'clock option here. That is, if we go down, or if we create a project from here by using File, then we add a folder at 1 o'clock. This is, where was it? On the desktop, and then it is here. So, we are opening it here. Let's see. Okay, now, let's give the 1 o'clock command and see if it works. So, Meg, this. Single. STM and many veg. Face with, tower with, CSS, CDN, CityN. Make the landing page. Alright, for this. What's up? Business API. Line phase. So make it modern and professional. Okay, let's see if this works or not. Alright. Alright, so here, it's been a year. The person, alright, we've selected 1 o'clock, meaning like this, but the system has never asked to select this before, so they're updating it. So we haven't used it yet, so after using it, maybe we'll see how 1 o'clock works. For example, previously, as soon as we gave the implementation plan, they would. The scoring has started, mate. Here, it's asking me which version I should use. Okay, so now the implementation plan has been given here. So now we have to say, okay, let's eat. Right. All right, please. Generate. All right. Let's see. Now, this is happening, but it wasn't like this before, right? Previously, as soon as we read it, the code would be written straight away. Of course, since it's called planning, if you ask it to plan, then it will have to plan. Anyway, let's see now. It's implementing. All right, let's get some work done here. Let's see if it's actually working or not. All right. It's a little bit slow, perhaps because I was using that mini plus here, so it's a bit sluggish. Otherwise, it would have been quicker. But let's see what happens next. That's done. And now let's see here. This index at 1 o'clock has been created. So anti-graphy will work like this now. So if I use any more features, I'll give you an update. So that's all for now. Thank you.